Hello everyone, welcome to Book Bees. This is the first educational video of our static general knowledge series, First in the World. In this video, you will find a list of all first in the world female personalities with photographs, their positions and achievements in the field of governance, legislature, judiciary, defense, sports, music, literature, entertainment, and awards, etc. Before starting, kindly subscribe the channel and like the video. World's first female space tourist, Anusha Ansari of United States of America on 18th of September 2006. World's first woman in space, Valentina Tereshkova of USSR on 16th June 1963. World's first woman to walk in space, Svetlana Savitskaya of USSR in the year 1984. World's first woman to ride a hot air balloon, Elisabeth Thibault of France on 4th of June 1784. World's first woman to have a pilot's license, Raymonde de la Roche of France on March 8, 1910. World's first woman to fly faster than the speed of sound, Jacqueline Cochran of United States of America. World's first woman to fly solo around the world, Jerry Mock of United States of America in the year 1964. World's first woman to fly across the English Channel, Harriet Quimby of United States of America in the year 1912. World's first woman to fly from Britain to Australia, Amy Johnson of England in the year 1930. World's first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean, Amelia Earhart of United States of America in the year 1932. World's first woman to fly solo across the Pacific Ocean, Betty Miller of USA in the year 1963. World's first woman to fly a fighter plane in combat, Marie Morvingt of France in the year 1915. World's first military female combat pilot, Sabiha Gökçen of Turkey in the year 1937. World's first woman to swim across the English Channel, Gertrude Ederer of United States of America on August 6, 1926. World's first woman to win the Nobel Prize, Marie Sklodowska-Curie in the year 1903. World's first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Physics, Marie Sklodowska-Curie in the year 1903. World's first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Chemistry, Marie Sklodowska-Curie in the year 1911. World's first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Peace, Bertha von Suttner in the year 1905. World's first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature, Selma Lagerlöf of Sweden in the year 1909. World's first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Medicine or Physiology, Gertie Cori in the year 1947. World's first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Economics, Elinor Ostrom of United States of America in the year 2009. World's first woman to reach the North Pole, Anne Bancroft of United States of America in the year 1986. World's first woman to reach both the poles, and Bancroft of United States of America in the year 1992. World's first woman to climb Mount Everest, Junko Tabe of Japan in the year 1975. World's first woman to scale the seven summits, Junko Tabe of Japan in the year 1992. World's first woman to scale Mount Everest twice, Santosh Yadav of India. World's first female to win Olympic gold, Charlotte Cooper of United Kingdom in the year 1900. World's first woman chess grandmaster, Nona Gaprindasvili of Georgia in the year 1978. World's first woman prime minister of a country, Sirimavo Bandaranaike of Sri Lanka from 1960 to 1965. World's first woman prime minister of any Muslim country, Benazir Bhutto of Pakistan in the year 1988. World's first woman president of a country, Isabel Perón of Argentina from 1974 to 1976. World's first female prime minister of a sovereign European country, Margaret Thatcher of United Kingdom from 1979 to 1990. Please watch our part 3 video, which is the continuation to the series First in the World for other categories and achievements. Thank you for watching, and please support us by subscribing the channel and like the video.